guide us in promoting responsible and inclusive tourism that empowers our rural communities.
चरी चाहिँ कहाँ छौ चरी खाइ होला हसो
Tourism, homestays have played an exceptional role, promoting local culture, preserving traditions, and offering authentic experiences to travelers from across the world. Today, we have this opportunity to recognize and honor the dedication, hard work, and hospitality of some of the finest homestay owners of each district of Sikkim who have made a lasting impact.
Normal also, but offbeat. So for offbeat, like this is the best. आपका कॉन्टैक्ट मॉर्निंग बोर्ड mainly like before COVID, we had a lot of foreign. This known for trekking routes. Like Hoysala, one touch.
you have a homestay there?
Yes, homestay भी है सब homestay वगैरह का भी सब है आप
For the birding, do you have any naturalist?
Yes, from Delhi.
Takes the
I worked in like
line
Delhi
from the birding
Yes,
walk.
16 years. I worked in Singapore.
This is the best time for Yay time.
Well, we have Go Chakung Tourism Development Association, Adventure in Soaring in Chakung. So, यहाँ को हाम्रो main contact, Mr. Abhishek. Abhishek जी, तपाईकोबाट मतलब can I have a word about your Go Chakung, please? Come. Sure.
Okay, sir, like what you can see out here is a very miniature version of our camping setup. So, like I've already shared before, what we do is like we provide authentic camping experience on per night basis to groups of tourists, minimum 5 and above. So what we do is like we have not only provide authentic camping experience, but we provide adventure spots along with it. For example, there is MTB rides that we can provide. There is a spot of bouldering that we can provide. Paragliding can also be done from our place. So these kind of things like day hikes, trekkings, view of Mount Kanchenjunga. At the same time, there are towers where you can have panoramic views of hills in and around. That is especially from Chakung.
So in past days, like I was always talking about Soaring Chakung to be identified as adventure zone for Sikkim.
Yes.
So how do you consider that?
That is what we're working on. That is our USP. The unique selling point of Soaring Chakung in the future is going to be adventure sports, and that is what we are promoting. We've been doing that since the last 5 years, and gradually we're making progress step by step. Our Honorable CM, at the same time, our main patron, that is Aditya Gole sir, our area MLA, has been with us throughout this journey, and he has supported us in depthly. So we're very grateful to that also, and hope like he supports us in the future as well. So as you can see this, like we're making progress step by step. At the same time, I'd like to thank Sikkim Inspires also, who've been there with us from this year, who've been promoting and helping us in various ways.
Recently, like I mean, we got to know that like you have launched a campsite.
Yes.
So would you like to give some message regarding the campsite?
Yes, it's called Camp Chakung. So what we do is like we curate packages as according to the customers. Like I said before, like 5 or above groups, like we can take up to 15 people. What we do is that once you want to get away from the hassle of your daily habits, you want to sit in a campsite in a beautiful place, that's what we provide with hassle free. That means like we are going to set up the tent, we are going to set up the camp, we are going to set up the food, dinner, breakfast for you. All you need to do is you need to come and enjoy.
So basically, the camping will be on a kind of AP
Yes,
plan.
sir. Yes, sir. Kind of like that.
Well, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Hope to see you soon.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. We have Namchi Tourism Cooperative Society. हजुरहरुको हजुर छलमताङ हाम्रो एकदमै छिटोभन्दा छिटो हाम्रो वर्कसप हुनेवाला छ टुरिज्मको कम्युनिटी बेस्ड टुरिज्ममा एन्ड निड एसेसमेन्टको बारेमा छलमताङ भनिहाल्नु भयो सो तपाईहरुकोबाट म एक दुईवटा इनपुट्स अहिले एकछिनमा आएर बिकज वी हेभ टु अर्गनाइज अ वर्कसप हाम्रो रबिन सेवा साहबको जुरिडिक्सनको चाहिँ एन्ड नाम्ची टुरिज्म डेभलपमेन्ट कोअपरेटिभ सोसाइटी मिस्टर सचिन
तपाईँको मजाले ब्लग्सहरू चलिरहेको हुन्छ है अन्त तपाईँले हामीलाई पनि प्रमोट गरिदिनुहोस् हेल्प गरिदिनुहोस् नाम्चीमा 10वटा जस्तो पोइन्ट छ 3टा भनेर चाहिँ स्किप नभइदियोस् त्यही भन्न चाहन्छु हामी चाहिँ
तपाईँले भन्नुहुँदैछ नि अब 3टा भएर स्किप नगरिदिनु मैले चाहिँ के सोध्छु भन्दाखेरि नाम्चीमा एटलिस्ट इफ नट 2 नाइट्स 3 नाइट्स एटलिस्ट ओभरनाइट स्टे टुरिज्म ल्याउनु बहुतै जरुरी छ बिकज नाम्चीलाई चाहिँ चारधाम हेऱ्यो सन्दुपची हेऱ्यो त्यहाँबाट स्किप गरेर उता पेलिङतिर कतातिर लाने प्रथा छ सो त्यसलाई चेन्ज गर्नु एकदमै इम्पोर्टेन्ट मैले देखिरहेको छु सो वाट डु यु फिल लाइक वाट डु हेभ टु से अबाउट द्याट
लाइक बेसिकली वी हेभ अ पोटेन्सियल अब तपाईँको 2 नाइटसम्म स्टे गराउन सक्छ हामीले बट द थिङ इज लाइक पहिलादेखि एउटा भाया भन्ने कुरा जुन चाहिँ जन्मिएको छ नि त्यसले गर्दा अलिकति हामी साह्रो पर्दैछ तर बट स्टिल हामीले बिस्तारै बिस्तारै गर्छ डेभलप गरेर वी क्यान डु द्याट
Don't you think that this is the need of the hour, that Vaya word, Vaya Namchi should be abolished permanently?
एकदमै तपाईँले जुन चाहिँ भन्नुहुँदैछ त्यसका लागि हामी खटिरहेको छौँ र तपाईँहरू जस्तोको साथ पायो भने हामी कन्फर्म गरेर दिएको छौँ
Thank you very much. Best of luck, Sachinju. Thank you. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Hi, I'm Sunil from SUTO, Sikkim United Tourism Organization. Can I have your name, please?
Augie.
I beg pardon?
Augie.
Augie from?
Gantok.
Okay.
My name is Mahesh Kumar and I'm from Gantok as well.
Okay. So, like, can you say a few words regarding this tourism ruler meet?
Yeah, actually we came here to promote and cover the entire event and it's really nice promote such rural event and all. First time हो यहाँ यतापट्टि उत्तरेपट्टि सरी उत्तरेपट्टि फर्स्ट टाइम आएको it's really beautiful अन्त we want to explore more places हुन्छ नि अब यहाँपट्टि पोखरी डाँडाहरू we are planning to go there as well हो सो सोच्दैछ अब यो त जस्ट अब यो स्मल एरिया भयो बट we want to cover more large area of this उत्तरे डल्लै अन्त देन्तामहरू जति छ होइन we want to cover there as well so it's really beautiful place and मान्छेले underrated yes obviously
Underrated, Vaniyal. Like, why did you give a full-fledged statement?
Like it's a very underrated place. It's a great initiative by the tourism department.
Potential-wise, how do you see?
Potential-wise, we haven't explored yet, but we are planning to explore.
Okay.
Actually, what happens is like whenever tourists come to Sikkim, they usually go to North Sikkim. But I suggest like they should come visit to West as well. यहाँ ट्रेकिङ गर्ने प्लेस एकदमै दामी दामी छ है अन्त जसलाई हिँड्नु मनपर्छ भ्यू चाहिँ खास चाहिँ ट्रेकिङ गर्दा देखिन्छ नि त सो यहाँ चाहिँ वेस्टमा चाहिँ टन्नै छ हो ट्रेकिङ गर्ने प्लेस
Yes, as tourism organization, like I have suggested to so many people, like I have even considered this belt as high value tourism corridor, right from gazing to Okhare, in between Soreng, Rinchitpong, you know. So, Estaparle, like promote garim ramro huncha. Now that like you have come to this place, please do.
We'll surely explore more and like video
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Well, I think like यो stall मैले अरू जग्गामा यस्तो इभेन्टहरू हुँदा सायदै देख्नु पाएको थिइनँ होला तर आज I can see the stall and how do you represent?
This is हाम्रो चाहिँ यो चाहिँ हाम्रो एनजिओ छ इट्स कल्ड बामोस बटरफ्लाई एन्ड मथ अफ सिक्किम नेचर कन्जर्भेसन सोसाइटी भनेर हाम्रो चाहिँ एउटा नन प्रफिटेबल एनजिओ हो हामीले चाहिँ बर्ड्स र बटरफ्लाईको कन्जर्भेसन र अवेरनेसको बारेमा कामहरू गर्छौँ र मेनली हामीले लोकल्स यङ जेनेरेसन र स्पेसली स्टुडेन्ट्सहरूलाई फोकस गरेर चाहिँ यो बर्ड्स र बटरफ्लाईको सिक्किमको बर्ड्स र बटरफ्लाईको बारेमा चाहिँ हामी अवेरनेसको कुराहरू गर्छौँ र नलेज सेयरिङ र एजुकेसन पर्पजको लागि त्यस्तै प्रकारले आज हामीले यो इभेन्टमा चाहिँ यहाँनिर धेरैवटा पोस्टर प्रिन्टिङहरू टु डिस्ट्रिब्युट इन फ्री अफ कस्ट टु द स्टुडेन्ट्स एन्ड लोकल पब्लिक्स यसमा जति पनि बर्ड्स र बटरफ्लाईको नामहरू हामीले इङ्ग्लिसमा के छ त्योहरू सबै लेखेको छ सो द्याट दे क्यान लर्न समथिङ अबाउट द बर्ड्स एन्ड बटरफ्लाई अफ सिक्किम
I can understand your effort, you know, like, I mean, this one of the traditional way to promote, or rather like, I mean, this we are follow, and now that I have come, like, digital platform, so it can give you a wider audience. So, the organization, what kind of message do you want to give to the people of the universe, rather I would say?
Yes, definitely. So birds and butterflies are one of the key resources. It's a gift of nature. हाम्रो के हुँदैछ भने अवेरनेस कम्ती भएकोले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ बर्ड्स एन्ड बटरफ्लाईको हेबिटेट लस्ट हुने चान्सेसहरू धेरै हुँदैछ र यसको स्पिसिस डिक्लाइन भएर जाने धेरै सङ्ख्या छ त्यो हुँदाखेरि चाहिँ त्यस्तो नहोस् भनेर चाहिँ हामीले चाहिँ यसको कन्जर्भेसनको कामहरू गरिरहेको छ र अवेरनेसको काम गरिरहेको छ सो माई मेसेज टु द यङ्गर जेनेरेसन एन्ड टु एन्टायर द कन्ट्री एन्ड द युनिभर्स वुड बी let us understand the natural the resources of our own द मदर अर्थ र यसमा हाम्रो बर्ड्स एन्ड बटरफ्लाईको हाम्रो इकोसिस्टममा रोल्स एन्ड रेस्पोन्सिबिलिटी के छ यो हामीले बुझेर चाहिँ यसलाई कन्जर्भेसन गर्नु एकदमै जरुरी छ र कन्जर्भेसन गरेर चाहिँ हामीले अर्को फाइदा चाहिँ के उठाउन सक्छ भने चाहिँ यसले चाहिँ हामीले चाहिँ हाम्रो लाइभलीहुड पनि चलाउन सक्ने एउटा धेरै चान्सेस छ फर इक्जाम्पल बटरफ्लाई टुरिज्म बर्ड टुरिज्म भनेर यो अहिले धेरै चलिरहेको एउटा टुरिज्म इन्डस्ट्री हो र हाम्रो जेनेरेसनले चाहिँ यसलाई कन्जर्भ गरेर चाहिँ आफ्नो लाइभलीहुड पनि चलाउने चान्सेस यसमा धेरै छ
Me myself as a tourism stakeholder, we are directly connected with the tourism industry in Sikkim. So as far as you know, तपाईलाई birding को लागि, especially in Sikkim, तपाईले कुन चाहिँ एरियाहरूलाई चाहिँ आइडेन्टिफाई गर्नुभएको छ कि मतलब एकदमै बर्ड रोचर्सहरूलाई चाहिँ मस्ट भिजिट प्लेस इन सिक्किम
There are quite a few different hotspots, different places in Sikkim. For example, North Sikkim is one of the best the birding destinations, the favorite to among all the bird watchers. किनभने हामी when we go to the North Sikkim, for example, Lachen, Lachung र गुरुदङमासम्म जब हामी बर्ड वाचिङको लागि जान्छ, we will be covering from the lower altitude as well as high alpine meadows and the Tibetan plateau. So यो कभर गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ के हुन्छ भने हामीले लो एल्टिट्युडदेखि लिएर चाहिँ हाई एल्टिट्युड बर्ड्सको भेरिएसन हामीले कभर गर्छौँ र इन द्याट केस नर्थ सिक्किम स्ट्यान्ड्स वान अफ द टप मोस्ट द बर्डिङ डेस्टिनेसन एमङ अल द बर्डर्स र त्यस्तो प्रकारले हाम्रो अरू डेस्टिनेसन छ फर इक्जाम्पल इस्ट सिक्किममा पाङ्गोलाखा वाइल्ड लाइफ स्याङ्चुरी जुलुकको छेउमा जुन चाहिँ पाङ्गोलाखा वाइल्ड लाइफ स्याङ्चुरी दिस इज वान अफ द बेस्ट बर्डिङ डेस्टिनेसन र हाम्रो वेस्टमा हेर्नु पऱ्यो भने अहिलेसम्म सबभन्दा फेभरेट डेस्टिनेसन एमङ अल द बर्ड वाचेस आर हिले वर्से रोडोडेन्ड्रन स्याङ्चुरी योहरू छ र योहरू सबैलाई मिलाएर चाहिँ हामीले चाहिँ एउटा प्याकेज बनाएर चाहिँ सेल गर्नु सक्छ अफ अबाउट 5 days 7 days र 12 days त्यस्तो प्रकारले चाहिँ सेल गर्न सक्छ
You mean to say like we can have a different exclusive itinerary for the bird watchers?
Yes. In Sikkim हामीले एटलिस्ट क्याटर गर्नु सक्छ मिनिमम अफ 4 days till the 15 days of the program. त्यस्तो प्रकारले डिपेन्डिङ अन द रिक्वायरमेन्ट अफ द पिपल हामीले त्यो प्रकारको आइटिनरी डिजाइन गरेर चाहिँ वी क्यान सेल द प्याकेजेस
Thank you very much. I'll take you into the frame, okay?
Sure, okay.
Can I have your intro, please?
I'm Shrutika from the Outlook Group.
Okay, great. Yourself, ma'am?
My name is Ragini. I'm a travel blogger and I work with Mondi Travel.
Okay, ma'am.
Hi, I'm Ayushi Anand from New Delhi. I write for a couple of travel magazines. Also, I'm a content creator.
Hi, my name is Ankit Panchal and I'm also a content creator.
I'm Sunil Lama from Gangtok, Sikkim, Gangtok. Okay, and if you can see Suto, this is Sikkim United Tourism Organization. So there are around 8 of us here. You can see the same blazer. So the moment you see this blazer, just think that we are from Sikkim United Tourism Organization. So how do you feel? Like, how are you feeling?
Lovely. So lovely.
This is
It's
my
a beautiful
second
day.
time.
Today it's sunny and we're just loving the vibes of the place.
And you said you are from Outlook. Based in
Based in Delhi?
Delhi. Okay, I stayed in Delhi for quite long. I used to
I'm
stay
from Punjab. I've come from Ludhiana.
Okay.
It's famous for its wool and poultry products and industrial parts.
I know. And yourself, ma'am?
I'm from Delhi,
Delhi, which part of Delhi?
South Delhi.
South Delhi. Which part of South Delhi?
You know a lot about Delhi.
I know.
I'm from Gulmohar Park.
Okay.
I'm also from South Delhi, Okhla.
Okay. Okhla. I have a small house in Okhla, just behind the Jamia.
Yes.
So, what kind, can you give a small kind of a message regarding Sikkim and this festival, the Rural Tourism Meet?
I think Sikkim has a lot to offer to travelers, to tourists. It's a very clean place. The people here are very warm, very welcoming. We've been staying in this homestay, which is, the host is just lovely. Both the families, the family is really lovely, and Sikkim has a lot to offer. It could be a preferred destination anytime because sustainability, as I can see, is the way of life here. So why not?
Thank you, ma'am. Can you give me your point of view, please?
Sure. So this is my second time in Sikkim, and and I'm here again because I love it so much. The first time I got to cover a lot of places in Sikkim, but this time it's a new experience for me, discovering the rural parts of Sikkim, and I'm extremely looking forward and excited to see what's in store for me during this trip. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you.
We'll talk again.
Okay, ma'am. We'll meet sometime after this. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
पे लाने के लिए ये बहुत अच्छा एफर्ट है। हम लोगों को भी यहाँ पे लोगों से मिलना हुआ जो रन करते हैं होम स्टेज, टूर्स रन करते हैं, एडवेंचर एक्टिविटीज़ रन करते हैं। सो ये बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है दोनों लोगों को मिलाने के लिए, ताकि हमारे लिए भी, हमको भी एक्सपोजर मिलता है कि यहाँ पे क्या क्या किया जा सकता है।
मैम आपने बोला यहाँ सब कुछ अच्छा है, कोई ऐसा आपको किसी का बाद में आपको किसी कि ये चीज़ यहाँ के लोगों के सुधारना चाहिए, ऐसे कुछ है?
लोगों का तो नहीं, बट हाँ अगर रोड थोड़ी ठीक बेटर हो जाए तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा। रोड इज़ द ओनली कंसर्न तो जो हमें लगा कि थोड़ा बेटर हो सकता है। बाकी तो यहाँ पे जो भी एक्सपीरियंस हमें मिला बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है, लोग बहुत अच्छे हैं, हेल्पफुल हैं, इन्फॉर्मेटिव हैं, तो हमें उसमें कोई चैलेंज फेस नहीं है।
The biggest challenge is the connectivity.
The biggest challenge is the connectivity
For Sikkim.
And for Sikkim especially the road part. So अगर road थोड़ा especially the main road थोड़ा ठीक हो, उसके बाद थोड़ा सा off-roading तो अच्छा है, going to the village and all, but at least the main connectivity should be good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Attending this particular event, do you feel or do you get to know the potential of this particular region, particularly in
See, there are two things to it. It'll be a slightly long answer. I hope that's all right. See, travel has come a long way from, ticking those boxes that I've been to London, I've been to Paris, I've done this, I've done that. It's come a long way from that. Today, people are looking for experiences and education. And this education is not limited to just skilling yourself in cuisine or photography, but even learning the culture of different, cultural communities of the society. So today that is what people are going for. I'm very happy to note that people sometimes they just take a month off, go to Tuscany, just learn Italian cooking. Same way, anybody who's interested in trekking, knowing the tribal culture of this region, etc., they will be totally happy to engage with this. And I'm glad that on the 50th year of your statehood, you've organized this particular event, and I'm privileged to be a part of this.
So do you see potential of this region to
Totally. Because let's face it, today most other regions have become synthetic. This place is still organic, and it's untouched, it's undefined, and that is something which is great.
So do you think that do you feel any challenges in this particular region to boost it as a rural tourism?
See, the only challenge as I see it is your access. Your access from West Bengal, Bagdogra and Siliguri, that place is so congested, it's like trying to get out of the traffic of New Delhi or Delhi. It's terrible. If you have a better access point, it'll definitely be a good idea.
So do you have any suggestions for the stakeholders involved in this particular topic?
See, stakeholders will be, first of all, this Tourism and Civil Aviation Ministry itself is a big stakeholder. They are the ones who have to both support the infrastructure as well as open up places of access to the region. So I think that's the biggest stakeholder that we can talk about.
Thank you so much, sir.
Sir, can I have your short intro, please?
Okay, I'm Ajay Sood. I am a travel photographer and a travel writer, and I have been doing that for last 15 years.
Wow.
I'm based out of Gurgaon.
Wow, yeah, best from Gurgaon.
Ji.
Thank you very much, sir. Welcome to Sikkim.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Sir, your good name, please?
Namaste, I'm Chanak Doshi from Simply Offbeat Holidays. We are a travel company based out of Mumbai. I've been invited here by the Sikkim Tourism Department and officials from Sikkim Rural Meet which you can see the background, beautiful background of the mountains. We are at Sikkim Rural Meet. This is happening for the first time in Sikkim in a small village known as Uttare. But mind you, even if it's a small village, they have a big heart and it's a beautiful village. So I recommend people do come to this village. You can go for treks, you can go to see waterfalls, you can go to a sheep farm and just go for adventure activities like bungee jumping, paragliding and have a great time in the mountains. Namaste. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Say hi. Hi. Everybody. Good morning. Fafulo. Kamrimo. Tasidile. Lasso. Sevaro. Lasso.